Hi guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Brittany and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Jeffree Star mystery box in size deluxe. So let's get started. So as you can see, the first things first is I obviously got this beautiful sweatshirt. I ordered a size 3X because I wasn't sure kind of what size I was going to need because I've never bought in his hoodies before and it was really big. So I put it in the dryer and thankfully it shrunk, so next time I'll get a size or two down. But I got this and I love the sleeves, how it's purple. I don't have a purple hoodie, so guess what? I'm very happy. It's comfortable. It's got the hood. It's got the kangaroo pockets. It's got the little strings if you want to pull it a little tighter. And it's got fleece type of material inside. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's just perfect. So let me show you guys some of the other things I got. I also got the peppermint straw, which I'll leave in my thumbnail. You guys will see that I have everything that I got in the box. But I got the androgyny palette, which you guys kind of know what that looks like. I'm not actually going to be keeping this, so I haven't touched it. I got this, which is in shade Fudge Pop, and I've decided I'm going to keep this. I really like the color. Let me just show you guys a little swatch. It's actually from his summer collection. And I think it's really pretty. And let's give it a little swatchy swatch. Let me close it up first, and then I'll show you guys a little closer. So as you can kind of see, it's pretty. It's got glitter in it, and it's really pretty. You can kind of see that. Kind of awkward angle. Don't mind my face. I don't know why it looks half red. It's honestly the lighting in here because of my vanity mirror. So I promise I feel fine. I did just get out the shower, so we'll just leave that. But anyways, so the next product that I got that I'm actually not going to keep as well, just because it's not something that I would wear, is Karma, and it's one of his other velour liquid lipsticks. I want to say this may have been from one of his Christmas collections. I'm not really sure. But so there's that for the lips and the palette, the eye palette. So the next thing that I was very excited to pick up that I'm going to keep the box is the Peppermint Frost palette. It is beautiful. I have not swatched it yet, but I have smelled it. And I'm actually going to be testing it on my face as well today so you guys can kind of see that. And it's beautiful. I lied, I've swatched it. I actually tried making another video before this and I was like, we're gonna remake another video because I actually had the sniffles, believe it or not. I really don't know why. So I love the packaging on this. It's gorgeous. It's definitely Jeffree Star approved, and everything on the back is usually what he usually has on the back of all of his Frost palettes. So let's get started. So we're gonna do Ugly Sweater first, which actually looks more like a peppermint shade, to be quite honest with you. It's really pretty. And it's so soft. You can kind of see like the pink reflex in it, which I love. Like, look how beautiful that is. And I know I've got highlighter on my sweatshirt already and I haven't even had it a day. But it's beautiful. It's so pretty. The next one will be Igloo Gold. Again, really creamy, really smooth, very pigmented. Isn't it beautiful? It's definitely gold, and I like how this is more pinky toned. This one's more gold, and then this is chocolate ice. And this one's more golden toned. Like straight up golden toned. Like, look how beautiful those are. So we're gonna actually try one of these on my face on one side, and then the next I'm gonna use the other highlighter I got. So I'm not gonna use any setting spray or anything. I'm gonna dip into Ugly Sweater. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. Look how blinding that is. Just a minute. Let's wet it and then put some more on. So we'll wet the brush with some Mario Badescu facial spray. Alright, let's try this again. And again, I'm using my Jeffree Star brush. That's with his Morphe collection. I'm trying to see. It is the JS4. Yeah, this is definitely buildable. Like, can you imagine with like having tan skin and wearing these? Like, I like how this is versatile. So like whether you're light tone, medium tone, dark tone, whatever tone your skin is, I feel like this is going to work for everybody, which I think is really great. So the next thing I got in my box was actually one of his Supreme Frost in the shade Frozen Peach. I was really happy to get this because I've seen a couple of variations of the boxes. And I remember there was one that was kind of like a greenish toned. And then there was another one that was kind of, I think, more golden. I want to say it was caramel apple. I'm not sure. But give this a little swatch. Very beautiful, like usual. All of his highlighters are gorgeous. And I like how this you can obviously still build up as well. We're going to try this on the other cheek. Ooh, look at that. Put some on her nose. Little on her lip, cupid bow area. Maybe just all over our forehead so we can kind of get the gist of what's going on. You guys can kind of get the deal, huh? I'm all glitter, but that's okay. So the next thing that I got that actually I really like, and I think it's beautiful, there was actually a big feud going on Twitter about it, and I really honestly don't know why, was actually the stickers. I think they're gorgeous. Like, whoever personally created these, you're literally an artist. Like, these are beautiful, and these are definitely like Jeffree Star like material, just because of how like whoever created these did a very beautiful job with putting the individual stickers together, if that makes sense. Like, you have a blue blood one, you have his mirror, you have Jeffree Star proof. Like, oh my god, I would so get one of these tattooed. And right now I'm gonna keep them on this until I get something, say a phone case from Jeffree Star, that I kind of want to stick one onto. But they're so beautiful, I don't even want to touch them. So I would give this box a thumbs up because this is my first mystery box I've ever bought from Jeffree Star. I know, shocker, considering how much I'm obsessed with him. But I love this. I think it definitely was worth $100. It retailed for over $200, so I think for what you got in this box was great. I like how there was different variations and not everybody like got the same exact thing, kind of in a way. But I definitely will be buying his Valentine's Day collection box, as well as his collection he's going to be releasing next year. So I'm so excited for that, and I'm so excited to play with these, and I'm so glad to have this peppermint frost in my collection because it's gorgeous. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to my next videos. Just ring that bell for the notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and enjoy. Love you guys. Bye.